I'm Li Zichong, the host of 20 MyPSA TV. The MyPSA National Pharmacy Research Competition is MyPSA national event that will be held annually. The MyPSA NPRC is bid by any of the local societies of MyPSA to organize this event. MyPSA NPRC's main aims and objectives are to give undergraduate pharmacy students the platform to showcase their research ideas and result at this event that provides visibility of their work. Next is to encourage students to meet and interact with other MyPSA NPRC participants by sharing ideas, gaining new insights, and understanding possible practical applications. Last but not least, it also helps to sharpen their communication skills by creating new bonds with other students from other universities. This year, University Kebangsaan Malaysia is the successful bidder for the 7 MyPSA NPRC. The 7 MyPSA NPRC was held between 30th of March and 31st of March. Aims to uplift and discover potential in undergraduate students of pharmacy nationwide in pharmaceutical research and literature. Here is the event flow. Bringing on the theme of discovering the potentiality of re-innovators, the 7 MyPSA NPRC 2024 challenges its participants to raise the stakes of pharmaceutical research, presenting their research findings in front of a crowd and taking the name of the MyPSA NPRC 2024 championship. In this year's MyPSA NPRC, we split the categories into two main parts, namely the Young Researcher Challenge for Year 1, Year 2 and Year 3 students, and the main competition for the seniors, Year 3 and Year 4 or pharmacy undergraduate students. To prepare the contestants towards the upcoming competition, the organizing committee has provided webinars for both main parts of the competition, which includes Young Researchers webinar and Advanced Level webinar. During the webinar session, mentor-mentee sessions were also conducted for the participants of Young Researcher Challenge to consult their mentors regarding their research project. Other than that, the brief quiz session was also done in order to ensure that the audience was well focused during the talk. The Young Researcher Challenge was conducted online on Zoom on the 30th of March 2024. All 10 groups of Young Researcher Challenge were given 5 minutes to present their research project, and a Q&A session was held after each presentation as well. The presenter of each group was very engaging when presenting their research projects. Here are the winners for the Young Researcher Challenge category.
Next, let's move to the main event of the 7th MyPSA NPRC 2024, the main competition. The main competition was categorized into 3, Category A, B, and C. The opening ceremony was launched by Professor Amrahi bin Buang, the President of Malaysian Pharmacy Society (MPS), and Professor Dr. Muhammad bin Makmur Bakri, the Dean of the Faculty of Pharmacy UKM.
Count of 3, 2, 1.
On the first day of the main competition, which was held on the 13th March 2024, all of the Category A and Category B participants competed in the preliminary round where they presented their research findings to the judges. Then, the shortlisted participants with the highest score get to the next round. Day 2 is here, and the shortlisted participants of Category A and B and the participants of Category C arrive as early as 8:30 a.m. To get the day started, the participants get into a brief but fun interactive session. Here was where they got to meet each other and break the ice as they shared a few facts about themselves. After that, a sharing session by Alcru Pharmacy was given by Miss Candace Lo Yen Ying, where she gave a sneak peek into the world of industrial pharmacy and gave a little bit of exposure to their company. After a brief break, the event continued with the presentation of Category A and Category B. This is where the shortlisted participants present their research findings once again to an audience of judges and other participants. The stakes were higher due to there being less participants competing and a more critical panel of judges. The event continued on throughout the week, where all 10 participants of Category C compete in this round. The difference between Category C and Category A and B is that they are not required to show their research findings. We can see how competitive the participants are here. Finally, the highly anticipated hour, which is the closing ceremony. After a very motivational speech given by Mr. Isaac Denker, the closing ceremony carried on towards the announcement of winners. The closing ceremony was filmed live on the MyPSA.NPRC Instagram for those who are supporting at home to watch. Here are the winners of Category A, B, and C of the 7 MyPSA NPRC 2024. Congratulations to all the winners. Oh, how excited the winners were when their names were announced. With the closing ceremony coming to a halt, the 7 MyPSA NPRC 2024 was finally concluded.
Wow, this looks fun and engaging. We hope that the participants who join the 7 MyPSA NPRC can learn a lot from their experiences and improve on their research as well as gain more knowledge in the field of pharmaceutical research.
Thank you for watching. Follow MyPSA official account for more.